Okay guys, tonight for dinner, Lane's going to be grilling some hamburgers, and the reason for this video is because we bought some Koshi Wagyu ground beef at Kroger's. It was $8 a pound, but Wagyu is supposed to be the best beef there is. So I wanted to try this out and see if it's really all that crazy. The first thing I know is that the meat is pretty greasy. Like if I just grab it, you can see the grease on my fingers, which is supposed to be what makes it so good, is because it's like riddled with the good fat on the steaks anyways. But hopefully this comes out to be one of the best burgers I've ever had. But I wanted to do a review on this ground beef and let you know. Okay, I went ahead and smashed out these patties. The way I did it was between two pieces of wax paper with a rolling pin. They are pretty darn greasy, but hopefully that makes them taste even better. We're gonna find out. I'm also going to be trying out these Sara Lee Artisanal bakery bread buns. I've never bought them before, but when I picked up the package, they're like so soft that I had to try them out. We'll let you guys know if these are good too. Okay, here you see the burgers are cooked. This one has provolone cheese and this one has pepper jack cheese. And by comparison, you could tell that the burgers shrunk up quite a bit, which I knew they would based on the fat content in the meat. So the last thing to do is let you guys know how they taste. We're about to try these Wagyu burgers. Lane's already taken a bite of his. Any thoughts?
It's good.
It's good?
Tastes fresh. Wow. That bread really complements it.
Wow.
So good.
This has got to be the most tender hamburger I've ever had, honestly. Look at it. I'm not lying. It was $7.99, regular price, $5.99 with the Kroger card, which is the same price as the no hormone grass-fed or prime 1 beef. So this was really worth it. Best hamburger meat. Yes, it shrinks up a lot, but it's the perfect size for these buns, which the buns are really good too. I like them. Way better than the regular ones. So that's my review of the Wagyu burger. It is worth it.
Here's how much I already ate.
Lane made his own mayo chup for his french fries. But thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.